Hello there, good day to you all. Well, it's time for our usual weather forecast for the week ahead for the UK. So, what's the weather looking like for this summer week? Well, as we know, I'll just go through today's weather forecast and then I'll quickly go through the week ahead. As we know, yesterday was a glorious day. Well, it's been a very changeable week we've had this week, but yesterday temperatures reached 25 Celsius in our region, very nice indeed. Today, not quite getting up to the mid-20s, but still some good sunny spells throughout the day. There is a bit more in the way of a breeze today, so it may just feel a tad cooler as well, with temperatures probably a couple of degrees lower than that as well. But still, it'll still feel warm when you're out in the breeze, and temperatures very respectively, getting up to about 22, probably 23 degrees Celsius, so still near the low to upper 70s in Fahrenheit, so still the mid 70s. Now tonight, it will be quite breezy overnight, maybe quite gusty occasionally at times, but we are going to see a weather front sinking southwards. A cold front was bringing a little bit of rain, nothing too much, although to be honest we may need some in a few weeks' time. But no, it will be a damp night. We will see the winds increasing all throughout the night. Temperatures probably about lows of 14 to 15 degrees Celsius. Now, new working week. It is going to feel a lot cooler this week. The winds will be easing, so that's good news. The air will feel quite fresh. The sun will still feel quite warm though, so it won't be a completely disappointing week. It's just midweek I'll feel quite chilly, but by the end of the week and into the weekend things may start to warm up again, so nothing too disappointing for too long. So let's begin day by day. So for Monday's weather, it'll still be quite windy as well. We could see probably quite a moderate breeze blowing in our region throughout the day. We're not expecting to reach the gales like in Scotland throughout the early parts of the week. Nevertheless, though, it will be windy. There will be some sunny spells about, with just a very, very limited risk of a shower. And temperatures starting to come down a bit, with highs of just about 18 to 19 degrees Celsius at best on Monday. So after and it could be quite a chilly night Monday nights as well, with temperatures with some clear spells and wind easing, could be down to, well, town cities about 10 Celsius, rural areas probably lows of 4 or 5 Celsius, so it will be quite a fresh start to Tuesday morning. Now for Tuesday, the wind should be easing. There will be some sunny spells, there will be some cloud amounts as well. But generally though, it should be a dry day. Temperatures a little bit disappointing for mid-August, struggling to reach into the 20s. You're more likely to reach 18 or 19 at best for Tuesday. Wednesday, again, a small risk of a shower. Someone's up and early running. Wednesday should be fine, the odd shower, but there will be, again, some sunny spells, not too breezy. Temperatures, again, only getting up to 18 to 19 degrees Celsius, so quite cool, really, for the middle of the week. Not much changes by Thursday. Again, I don't think it's too windy at this stage. There will be some sunny spells again, very, very small risk of a shower. It's generally a dry week, so it's definitely not that disappointing. Temperatures maybe 18 to 19 Celsius once again. And by the end of the week, there's always a bit of uncertainty, but thinking is on Friday again, it may start to warm up a little bit. We could see temperatures ranging from the high teens to maybe low 20s, with again some dry weather around. So it's really not going to be a wet week at all by any means. It's quite the opposite. Barely any rain at all for the week ahead. Now for the 6 to 10 long range outlook, we're still into the summer holidays. Good news, and it's pretty fairly high confidence. Hopefully, is that we're in a cold flip from the jet stream. You know, the jet stream is like has its flips, and what goes up must come down. We're on the cold side of it. The other side is the warmer side. We've got the high pressure, the low pressure is pretty much clearing away from the east. Good news, it'll still stay dry into the weekend and maybe even to beyond. We will see some warmer air. Hopefully we'll try to evade across at least southern parts of the UK. Northern parts may still see some changeable weather, but even that maybe temperatures a couple of degrees higher. But the general thing is it will start to feel warmer again maybe by the weekend. So if you want to take your kids to the beach or any other parks, there should be hopefully some useful summer weather. And again, plenty of sunny spells and again, very little rain for the next 10 days. And I got a feeling that for the rest of August could be another dry month. So it could be a somewhat drier than average summer despite a wet June. Now, before I go, thank you very much from, I hope I pronounced it right, Toetic1001. I've got a weather forecast request, which I'm going to do this Wednesday. It's for Southport weather, which I'll do Thursday to Sunday. I might probably do the current day's weather to get added with it as well. But thank you very much. That's really kind of you. And yes, you are more than welcome, guys, to comment below what weather forecast I could do for any city, any day, or even, it doesn't have to be in the UK, it can be anywhere else in the world. So write down in the comments, that will be great. I will definitely find some time to do that. Thank you very much. Like, comment and subscribe, and See you on the next weather forecast video, which is probably Wednesday.